A son and daughter received a heartwarming surprise on Thursday afternoon. 5-year-old Gavin and his sister, 4-year-old Isabella, were surprised by their mother with the ring of a bell.
That's a good thing.
Miss Tina, it's going to be my last day on Monday.
Gavin, Bella. Okay.
Mommy!
Gavin!
This is for you.
Oh my goodness.
Bettina Church had kept contact with her children while overseas.
Regular contact with them. We FaceTimed every weekend. I could see that they were getting bigger. Just having a conversation with my son now, and some of the topics we talk about just amazed me. And I kind of knew what to expect, that they were probably going to look a little different, look a little taller. To me, my daughter just doesn't look like a baby anymore. She looks like this little girl, and it's kind of sad. But at the same time, I know that they can't stay babies forever. But
Bettina Church and her husband Christopher Church are both members of the United States Army.
It was 8 months with her in Afghanistan that until she got home. So she got home about a week and a half ago into Fort Bragg.
The family enjoyed many hugs together.
so it's just the shock look on their face when they turned around and saw me. It was almost like they didn't believe that I was standing back behind them. So it was awesome.